Hey man, look what I brought. This is the Avia X Dreamer. Wow, you actually bought the drywall puncher PC. Respect it. This thing survived 2008. Oh yeah? Well, I brought this. This is the deep Cool Genome. That thing looks like a fire extinguisher. It's a liquid loop. The spiral is a reservoir. Looks like a hamster habitat for coolant. It's better than your fake gauges. They're for temps and fan speed. They're sick. Those are just gauges from Pep Boys glued to a PC. At least mine has a front door. For what? Hiding your shame? Well, it's for hiding the DVD drive. Peak cinema. Nobody wants optical drives anymore. This isn't 2005. Oh yeah? Well, my case has a giant front intake. It's not a subwoofer. Stop pretending. I did not say that. Admit it, you wanted to. Does your spiral even do anything? Yeah, it actually cools stuff, unlike your nostalgia tank. My nostalgia tank has character and probably lead paint. Fine, which one's cooler? Mine is. Which one looks cooler? Also mine. Let them decide, since they're subscribed and all, right? Right? You see what I'm doing here? Just do it.